Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to reset a forgotten passcode on YouTube Kids. Recovering or resetting your forgotten passcode on YouTube Kids is super easy. First of all, open up your YouTube Kids application on your mobile device and then from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. You will then be asked for your parental passcode. Go ahead and tap on the Forgot Passcode link at the bottom of the screen to reset your forgotten passcode. In order to reset your forgotten passcode, you'll need to uninstall and then reinstall your YouTube Kids application. Simply go ahead and press and hold your YouTube Kids application from your app drawer and then tap on Uninstall or Remove App. Click on Delete App once again. And after deleting the YouTube Kids application, go back to your Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. Now in the search box, type in YouTube Kids and then reinstall the application. After starting the reinstallation process, wait for a couple of minutes, and once the application is done, tap on Open. Now click on Get Started and then go ahead and sign in with your parents' account. Type down your email address and tap on Sign In. Make sure to enter your password for your email account as well. And after you are done logging into the account, your passcode will then be reset, and now you will be asked to solve a simple math problem. Now you can go ahead and tap on Set My Own Passcode and then create a new passcode that will be easier for you to remember. Confirm the new passcode once again, and there you have it. That is how you can easily reset your forgotten passcode on YouTube Kids. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.